Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me iPhone 15 Pro Max, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. Of course, this video will not actual for 2023 because now this smartphone is the most powerful smartphone ever was made. So to improve your system performance, you need to remember the one rule. The first rule is never fill up your internal storage over the 70%. Always have 20, 25, 30% free for the system. Okay, so open settings, scroll down, find general and click iPhone storage and check your storage usage. So I suggest you, if you have 128, so it's not possible. If you have 255 gigabytes on your device, never fill up your storage over the 70%. If you have 1 terabyte, don't fill up over the 85%. Okay, so you need to always have several gigabytes free, always. Cool. Then go back, and of course the next aspect is your battery. Of course, it's not actual right now in 2023, but just open battery in settings and find battery and health care. And here you can check your maximum capacity. So maximum capacity, it's not just only the durability of your battery. No, it's really very important count. Why? Because your battery now is powerful. Okay, and of course your smartphone with one charger is live longer right now, but after years, after several thousand, or maybe not thousand, but about several hundred of cycles recharging, your battery is getting older and older and older, and it will not able to give for your processor and RAM too much electricity power as they want to use. Okay, so when you will see here the number under the 80%, it means that you need to change the battery, because it's not only means that you need to charge your smartphone several times per day. No, it means that now your smartphone is slowing down because of old battery. Cool. Go back, and the last thing you can do is to make your system animations faster. To do it, open privacy and not the privacy, but accessibility in the settings, and find here touch, and in touch find haptic touch and click fast. And in this way all system animations will be faster, and it will give you effect that your phone is faster. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.